Hello and good evening. My name is Rebecca Barron, and I'm the Director of Operations at Autism Tree. Autism Tree exists to help the autism community live our best lives. We currently provide 19 family programs, each designed to benefit the entire family and build the social confidence, language, and communication skills of people on the autism spectrum of all ages. In 2022, Autism Tree completed intakes on over 550 new families, in addition to the thousands of families we serve each year. We are blessed to be in our 20th anniversary year and are already on track to exceed that record number of intakes, with our team connecting with over 115 new families just in the first 2 months of 2023. Our volunteers are the lifeblood of Autism Tree and are critical to helping us embrace every family with love and acceptance. We cannot make a difference in the lives of these thousands of families each year without the support of Madcaps and our community partners. Thank you to the mothers and daughters of Madcaps who have generously volunteered at many of our over 200 annual family events, from our Bridge to the Beach program to our annual Winter Wonderland. We are honored to be a part of the Madcaps legacy as one of your chosen philanthropies and commend you for all you do to support community organizations throughout San Diego. Thank you.